These how to 1 minute will show you how to set up PayPal payment integration to Contact Form 7. To set up PayPal payment method to your Contact Form 7, follow these easy steps. As you can see, I've created a contact form using Contact Form 7, and here I want to add PayPal payment method. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Contact Form 7 PayPal, and here you will get this plugin Contact Form 7 PayPal and Stripe add-on. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on Contact and click on PayPal and Stripe settings. And here click on language and currency, and now you can change your language and currency. Then click on PayPal, and now we have to connect our PayPal here. So click on Get Started, and now enter here your PayPal account email address and select your country and click on Next. Once you connected your PayPal here, now click on Other, and here enter the PayPal cancel URL, enter here your PayPal return URL, and then it's time to add the PayPal payment method to our Contact Form 7 form, right? To do that, come to this contact section and click on Contact Forms, and this is the form where I'm gonna add PayPal payment method. So I'm gonna clicking on Edit. Once you are in Form Editor, click on PayPal and Stripe, and now to enable PayPal payment method, check this box, enable PayPal on this form, and now click on Save. And to add a PayPal payment method option, here go to your form editor, and I'm going to pasting this code to add a PayPal payment method option. And now let's save this, and now I'm going to reloading my form, and here we can see Pay with PayPal option has been added. Now let's check it out. Fill upping this form using dummy informations and clicking on Submit. And as you can see, and if you connected your PayPal account, here you will get your PayPal. So this is how we can add PayPal payment methods to Contact Form 7. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.